Every second, 3 more people are born. Every minute, a piece of nature disappears. Our planet is the same size, but our population is growing fast. Far away from the noise of cities lies the Amazon, one of the planet's most vital ecosystems. It is home to 30% of the planet's biodiversity, and new species of plants and animals are being discovered there all the time. But unfortunately, resource use, waste generation, and pollution in the Amazon forest have increased in recent years due to increased human population and activities. To understand this better, let's look at resource use. Between 2001 and 2020, the Amazon lost over 54.2 million hectares, or almost 9% of its forests, which is about the size of France. Some of the main factors that have changed land use in the Amazon include livestock farming, mining, and the expansion of road infrastructure. Among these, livestock farming is the most significant, accounting for 84% of the deforestation in the first 2 decades of this century. This land use change has been driven by population growth and economic development in countries such as Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. Economic development associated with fast industrialization, urbanization, and population growth has also intensified the rate of generation of municipal solid waste, including wastes from households, urban cleaning, and the commercial sector. Consequently, municipal solid waste managers are faced with the challenge of reducing the risks of damage to the environment and human health, especially in developing countries. Factors contributing to the intensification of environmental degradation include inadequate municipal solid waste management, lack of urban planning, shortage of qualified workers, insufficient information, financial restrictions, and other factors. Investigations in the Neblina Stream, located in the Amazon region, have found evidence of untreated municipal wastewater contributing to the degradation of water quality. This points to negative anthropogenic human-caused interference, including changes in the river's physical structure, physiognomy, and water contamination due to the discharge of domestic and industrial effluents. Notably, contamination levels at the lower end of the stream are high enough to pose risks to both human health and aquatic life. As a drainage channel fully embedded in an urban area, the Neblina Stream is frequently impacted by changes in rainwater runoff, the reception of untreated effluents, and the disposal of solid waste. You may have watched the video so far and wondered how we can reduce the environmental impact of our growing population. Biochar is a perfect example of this. It is a method that turns agricultural waste into a useful and environmentally friendly product. This waste is added to soil by heating it in a low oxygen environment until it becomes a charcoal-like substance. This increases the soil's water holding capacity and crop yields, and also contributes to combating climate change by sequestering carbon in the soil. Biochar is speculated to have been used as a soil supplement thousands of years ago in the Amazon basin, where regions of fertile soil called terra preta, dark earth, were created by indigenous people. This is one of the ways to reduce the amount of waste entering the environment. What about energy production? Most of the energy of our population, both in transportation and production, is supplied from non-renewable energy sources. But in the future, hydrogen may play a key role in clean energy production. When hydrogen is used as a fuel, it reacts with oxygen and produces only water vapor as a byproduct. This means energy can be generated without releasing harmful greenhouse gases. Hydrogen-powered vehicles and power plants could significantly reduce our carbon footprint while offering an efficient and sustainable alternative for the growing global energy demand. However, hydrogen technology is currently expensive and not yet widely used, mainly due to the high costs of clean hydrogen production and the need for specialized infrastructure. To conclude the video, we can say, if we use our natural resources wisely and manage them sustainably, we can still reduce the negative impacts of our growing population on the environment. It's not too late. With the right choices, we can protect our planet for future generations while still meeting our needs today.